KPIs just became limitless with the implementation of custom expressions. Now, you can display the average uptime of multiple machines, the number of parts produced per minute, or even the number of good parts compared to all parts produced. Essentially, you can write your own equations and make your KPIs exactly what you're looking for. Expressions consist of two parts, the function and the data source. So this equation right here displays the uptime of our machines in minutes. And now it displays the average uptime between two machines. And if we wanted to display it as a percentage, we'd divide it by the total time range and then multiply it by 100. Let's try using another function. So this one right here displays the number of parts produced by our rolling press. Let's add the number of parts produced from all of our presses, and then we can get the count summary. Or we can get the number of parts produced per minute by dividing the total time range in minutes by the number of parts produced. These are just a couple common examples, but with all the functions that you can manipulate, the possibilities to display the exact data on your KPIs are limitless. Get started today at getfreepoint.com.